Look. Look at the picture. You must study hard. Own, I have my own room. Personal, this is my personal bag. Reason, what is the reason? Service, the service is good. Shall we begin? Stay, I stay at home today. Their house is big. Wife, his wife is a teacher. Away, the dog runs away. Beautiful, the sky is beautiful. Care, I care about my family. Cost, this shirt costs $10. Deep, the river is deep. Enough, I have enough money. Fight, they fight for freedom. Garage, the car is in the garage. Into, she goes into the room. Keep, please keep this secret. Miss, I miss my family. Other, I like the other book. Player, he is a good player. Rather, I would rather stay home. Remain, please remain calm. Side, stand on this side. South, the city is in the south. True, this story is true. Use, I use a computer every day. Who is that man? Already, I already know the answer. Become, I want to become a teacher. Cause, smoke can cause illness. Certain, I am certain about this. Describe, please describe your house. Dry, my clothes are dry. Expect, I expect good results. Fact, this is an important fact. Hard, this work is hard. Include, the price includes breakfast. Let me help you. Moment, wait a moment please. Power, the machine has great power. Provide, they provide good service. Report, I write a report. Seat, this seat is free. Single, I have a single ticket. System, the system works well. Through. We walk through the park. Which? Which book do you want?